Well, I'm gonna unload the bike and get ready to start doing the rear bumper build. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm gonna set up a tarp so I can at least get the bumper removed tomorrow and yeah, hopefully get something done. I got the next 2 days off, so get some stuff done. Now this is the fun part, removing it. Okay, bike's all removed. So I'm basically gonna back the truck up a little bit and do a tarp setup from the back of the truck over to this fence. And yeah, that's where the bumper build's gonna be done, basically. I mean, I'll probably do the majority of the stuff here, and then I got a little carport I can show you that, and I'll basically just do all like the final welding and grinding and whatever else I need to do. Yeah, nothing special, like it's enough to fit one car. But yeah, I just pull my car out and drag my welder down here and it's enough. So the plan basically is I'm gonna remove the bumper tomorrow, and eventually I want to do one piece that wraps around this whole back section, and then I'm gonna trim off what's here and kind of do like a high clearance style bumper, and I want to incorporate the camper tie downs to the bumper as well, so I can get rid of those things. And eventually I would like to build some rock sliders and maybe incorporate the front camper tie down into the back corner of the rock slider, but we'll see. I know that'll add quite a bit of weight. These things are aluminum, they're not rock sliders, they're just aluminum side steps, but for what I do with this thing, I don't really see the need for sliders, but you never know. So I'm gonna get rid of this whole monstrosity of a bumper and hitch receiver and whatnot, and yeah, see if I can make something a lot simpler, cleaner, and tuck this hitch up a little bit further than it is now. I want this motorcycle carrier to be like 6 inches higher. I basically want like the hitch receiver to be like right here. So I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass to load the bike on, but I can probably just build like a little ramp that goes up, so I can just roll the bike up. It'd be a lot easier than, like, even now I still have to pick the bike up. It's still a bit of a pain. This is my ghetto awning. Just made my own eyelets in the tarp that were right next to those those eyes on the roof rack of the camper, and then I just clip those in. And normally I just have two like tent poles that I use and stake it down if I want to have the awning over the back, or in this case I'm just going to use it for the bumper build, so that'll work too. I think that'll do. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't sag in the middle, but should be good. Well, we got it off. See, there's a little bit of damage here from before I bought the truck, so be able to trim all that stuff off, or at least most of it. Maybe just touch up a little bit here. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's a truck after all. Yeah, so see what we got to work with now at least. think that's going to be it for today. At least I got the bumper off. I kind of got a good idea of what I have to work with now. Next time, hopefully get the main structure of the bumper, like get it all bent up, and then start working on how I'm going to mount it. And yeah, we'll see how much I need to trim off the sides, and yeah, try and kind of just go from there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, hopefully you join me for part 2.